Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to type different font style in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here, open up my WhatsApp. Next thing you need to do is to simply select the contact. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this icon from the bottom side corner. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on the keyboard. Then click on this icon. And it's take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on font. Then right here you can choose any type of your font and start to make a type. Then you can send just like so. You can also choose typewriter. And then click on send. You can also type in symbol. And send. You can also type in bold italics. Just like so. You can type in this. Then premium, and you can go on and on. Then you are going to be just like so. This is another style. Just like so. So you can go on and on. There are a lot of different font style right here that you can try out. And send. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.